Lemmy Bonnie here. In today's video, we are going to be going to the farm. Called the Early Spencer's farm, but I'm going to go to a better one. More animals. I don't like you. You kind of look disgusting. And kind of, how do I say this? Majestic. Hey, don't try to bite me. That's what you call an annoying freaking animal. Where is she? Oh, cat, I'm allergic. Yeah, Lemmy Bonnie is allergic to cats. Okay, let's go see the cats. Oh, we're in the cows. Hello, sir. Hello. You're cute. I miss you. You guys having fun? I am. I don't know about the viewers. Are you guys having fun? Hello. Hi. How are you doing? Okay. Oh, it's a baby one. Hi, baby. Baby cow. You guys look. It's a baby cow. Wow. For Springbrook comments on this and says, you are a baby. And now I'm not. This is editing Springtrap. Springtrap. Yes, he is. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. What are you doing? If you guys have a lot of flies on you, I'm getting out of here. How do I climb this? I'm on top of the world. That hurt. Like a racehorse. Let's see if there's any horses in here. Wait, there's horses over there. Let's go see. Everybody forgets about these horses and the bunnies. Because bunnies all the way over there and horses over here. Hey guys. You guys are so cute. I love you horses. Hi. You guys look so beautiful.
What do you want?
I'll make spring booty. Wow, let's go. Wait, yeah. I was walking a lot of miles. Woof. There's horses and chickens and yeah. Let's go up here. Oh, let's see. Oh, it's a chicken coop. It's where chickens lay their eggs. Oh, there's one charging one right now. I'm gonna leave them alone so they can rest and do their eggs. Oops. Oh, this chicken. Hi, chicken. All of you guys. Da 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 da. Should go see the bunnies next. Yeah. Shoot the bunnies. Ouch, that hurt. Let's take a photo, guys. Wow, this is cool. Let's go over here to the bunnies. I'm like you. I'm your brother. Cute. Hello. chew on my ears.
Well, get away.
Thank you. But I'm a little more withered. Hey, bunny. So I used to look like when I was a baby. Wow. Is this a monster truck? Nope. It's a side-by-side. Ugh. Oh, more chickens. Shit. Shit. Ooh. I think that was all the animals. Okay. This is tiring, but fun. Tiring, but make it fun. Yeah. Oh, crap, it's the cat. Let's go by without it seeing me. Please, hold. Look back. Okay. I don't think it's coming for me. Okay. That was a close one. That was a close one. Bye guys, thank you for watching today's video. And there's some things I want you to do before you get off this video. Like, subscribe, comment, and share to your friends and family. And goodbye. God bless. Have a Friday.